could always be the one you wanna call when it's cold outside. I will always be the one that's right here standing by your side. Open up your heart and let me in. I promise not to break you. I promise I'll be all that you want.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you a very interesting and trending makeup challenge, that is the Google Picks Up My Makeup Challenge. So this challenge was started by Nikkie Tutorials and many YouTubers have already taken up the challenge, so I thought of giving it a try. So what I have to do in this challenge is go to Google and type the first letter of my first name and the first letter of my last name and type look beside it, and whichever image comes first in the image section, I have to take inspiration from that and do my makeup today. So I got this image and the colors present here are red and black mainly. So I have to take inspiration from that and do my makeup today. So the first thing that comes to my mind by seeing this picture is black smoky eyes and red lips. But I want to do something new today. I don't know if it will look good, but I just want to try. Today I'm gonna do red smoky eyes and black lips. So it's quite exciting and I'm taking up a challenge for the first time and I hope you will like it. Before moving on, once again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so that you stay notified. So let's get started. I've already toned and moisturized my face and now I'm priming my face with Nivea Men's Aftershave Balm. Also, I'm priming my lips with lip butter from the Body Shop. For foundation today, I am using Lakme Absolute White Intense Skin Cover with SPF 25 and my shade is 02. I'm dotting it over my entire face and then we'll blend it with a beauty blender. This foundation gives medium coverage and is a really good one, especially for the summers because it is a very long stay one. Next, I am using a concealer from Maybelline and concealing my dark circles and also applying it over my eyelids, and I am blending it once again with a beauty blender. Using Lakme Rose Powder to set the concealer, and then we'll start with the eye makeup. From my Mars 48 Colors eyeshadow palette, I'm taking this brown shade and this will be my transition shade, applying it all over my crease, concentrating more on the outer corner of the eyes. Next, taking this red shade and I'm applying it over my transition shade to give a nice gradation. Next, from my Sivanna Makeup Academy palette, I am taking this intense black shade and with the help of a thin brush, I am lining my lids with it. Now taking the red color once again, I am applying it at the center of my lid with a flat brush, gradually increasing the intensity. Next, I am taking a dark maroon shade and applying it at the outer corner of my eyes and gradually bringing it a little inside. Since I was not happy with the intensity of the red shade, I am applying the red shade once again, this time with a wet brush. After intensifying the black color once more, I'm blending everything out with a blending brush. The shadows got me a lot of fallout, so after dusting them off, I am taking the shimmery shade from the Sivanna palette and applying it at the inner corner of my eyes. Taking this shade, I'll be doing my eyebrows and then apply the shimmery shade on my brow bones. For compact, I am using a compact from Nelf USA and my shade is 02. Taking this dark brown shade from my Mars palette, I am contouring the hollows of my cheek, my jawbone and the hairlines. Also contouring my nose to give it a more chiseled look. To give a dimension and depth to my face, I am using bronzer from Color Essence. Next, I am lining my lower waterline with a kajal and packing it with the black shade for that smoky effect. I am also creating a wing with the eyeshadow for a more dramatic look. For mascara, today I am using Maybelline Hypercurl Volume Express Mascara. Highlighter, I am using the same shimmery shade and highlighting the high points of my face, the bridge of my nose and my cupid's bow. So I am doing black lips today. I'll be lining my lips with Lakme Eyeconic Kajal and then will fill my lips with a kajal from Blue Heaven. So guys, this is the final look, and you know the colors that Google has selected for me, I have used them and created this look. This is quite a bold look, and you know I really liked doing this challenge. This was something out of my comfort zone. And if you like this look, do put a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Till then.
I could always be the one you wanna call when it's cold outside. I will always be the one that's right here standing by your side. Open up your heart and let